Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Monday, October the 24th, about 7:36 Central Standard Time. Let's take a look of what happened over the weekend or from last Friday. And you can see we just consolidated into the end and we opened up Sunday evening at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, opened up at 21:37. Went up just a few points there and right back down to our overnight low of 34.75, and just gradually worked ourselves way up through the first zone here, across to the 24-hour VWAP, fifth support, and now we just moved all the way up to overnight high of 47. This 47 is a key level according to market profile, and of course it immediately hit this right here and pulled back into the previous zone. And you see the developing block starting to form today. We got 2143 is the VWAP right now, but the 24-hour VWAP was 42, a little bit of difference. This will start to spread a little bit farther as we get onto the day as more volume comes into this market. So where do we expect today? There is a lot of news this week to start with. A lot of news that's going to cause volatility. A lot of Fed speak. A lot of just so much things out there. Starting with we got 7:30. We had the news with the Fed. Um, we had the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. We got Dudley speaking at 8. We got Bullard speaking at 8:05, and at 8:45 PMI manufacturing, and then we got Evans at 12:30 and Powell at 12:45 all Central Standard Time today. And then after this, guys, it's all week long. We've got major earnings reports from Amazon, Google, all these big guys. So there's a lot going on, a lot of volatility in the market this week to end up on Friday with GDP report. So we all need to be real careful with this. Take targets and suggestion targets and very few trailers, unless the market really starts moving in one direction. So where do we go this morning? We just pulled back to the zone here at 2142.75, closed just above the pocket 44.25, and looking to move on up into this direction. Now what we're looking for is a double top up here at the 47, and either the breakthrough up to about the 48, 49, or right here 47. Go ahead and pull back one more time, maybe the 46. Buyers step in and really give this a push. We have to get a close above this 47. Anywhere close above this 47 and stay there if we want to make the next move to market profile, which if we kind of just scroll this down, here we go. Next target up is 51 to 52 zone and 56 to 58, but market profile anywhere that's 58 to 60, really right here 60 would be our next big target for today and probably the high for today. So keep an eye on that if we can get a big push by the bulls. Uh, any kind of pullback into this area after reaching 60 could be pulling back to 52. So look for some big reversals along with all this volatility today. Take profits in any zone. If you're gonna leave runners on, that's the point to do it. But trail very short. As we pull up down here, let's look down here again. Now, what happens if we go short today? We're currently right here, get this 45. If it fails and make a higher high or a break double top here, and we come right back down, we come back down and test this zone, test the 24-hour VWAP. What we'll look for is a close below the 24 down here in the 40 area, probably around 39.75. This little high right in here, it had it about midnight last night in this area. Look for this, come back up to retest the 24-hour VWAP. If it should fail, look for the move down to the open all the way back down to the open for a close at 37. Value area low. If we get a close below the open and the value area low, look for the next move to continue on down to the overnight low at 34.75. Look for retraces up into the open and then right back down. Don't take any longs up into this area unless you're just scalping these areas below this 38.25 value area low that's developing. If we come down here and close into the zone, look for this reversal at the bottom of the zone. Yesterday's or Friday's VWAP in here, right in here at 32.25, and then right back up and move into the up scenario. If it fails this, again, if it comes up here, comes up and fails the 34, look for it to come right back down and shoot right down into this zone and head for 21.27 again before you're looking for anything possibly long. But we could get a reversal in this area at this 29, 25, 30 area. So be careful in here. This should be the low of the day if we pull back into this area. Again, lots of news this week, lots of volatility. Be cautious. Take your targets early. Now let's look at the market profile real quick. for the overall big picture. Big picture on a 235 time frame, 235 minute. We did touch above this 247 right here, 2147.11 right here. Now, if we could come back up and close above it, next big major target is 60. And it's real easy to get to that one. We should be looking for that one today, then possibly all the way up to the 67 area, where we will in double top in this area. If we manage to get up in here, next market profile is 79, but that's I wouldn't expect that any more of that. Today is the basic high side, but 67 is the realistic high side. Again, if we double top here and fail this, anything's game. We can be falling all the way down, back down to this 36 retrace, down to the 23, all the way down to this 2110. Okay, we do have zones on the other charts at 21 in this area, so keep an eye on this. For a daily chart picture, we're looking right here. We're still moving to the upside, trying to break above this 27. Shows you the same thing, going to 60, 69 area, and then up 79, value high at 21. Going to the downside, 21 area, right back where we said, and then right back here for triple bottom. We fail this again. Look out below. So if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.